Hi guys, welcome to Tech 2 AI. So today, when I plugged in my USB flash drive into my laptop to copy a couple of files, I found out that my USB flash drive was behaving weirdly. The flash drive is plugged in right now, but it's not showing. Let me remove it and plug it in again. See, it appears for now, but if I try to right click it, nothing happens. And then it ejects automatically. It gave a pop up notification: USB device not recognized. One of the devices connected to this computer has malfunctioned and Windows does not recognize it. I tried plugging it into another port, but the issue persists. I tried this USB drive on another laptop, and it's working fine there. I reinserted the USB device, but as you can see, it's not showing. So it's time to find a fix. Let's get started. Open Device Manager. Here, you can rescan the device. Click on Action at the top, then scan for hardware changes. The system will try to connect to any new devices connected to your PC. If your USB device still cannot be recognized after scanning, you should try other solutions. This didn't work for me, so let's proceed further. If you scroll down, click to expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers, you'll see this yellow warning triangle on unknown USB device. Device descriptor request failed. You can see that if I unplug the USB device, the yellow triangle is gone. Now, I'll plug it in again. Let me refresh. You can see the unknown USB device error again. So, right-click on it and uninstall the device. We need to restart the computer. When we restart, there's a possibility that Windows will automatically detect the proper driver for the device. I'll save my work and restart. Okay guys, I'm back after the restart. Let's see if our problem is fixed. The problem still persists. Let's try to update the driver for this device. Click on Browse my computer for drivers. Click on Locate and install drivers manually. Haha, what is it showing? Let me click it. In your case, if any driver is listed, then select it, guys. Otherwise, leave it. No success so far, guys. Let's try another solution. Go to Control Panel and open Power Options. Click on Choose what the power button does. Here you can see the turn on fast startup option is checked and grayed out. Click on change settings that are currently unavailable. Now uncheck turn on fast startup. Save changes. Now let's restart the computer. I'm back after the restart, guys. Let's check now. My USB device is showing. Let's check in. This PC, bingo. My device is now recognized. Mission accomplished. So, basically, the problem was the fast startup, guys. When fast startup is enabled, shutting down the PC doesn't completely close all processes like it does in a full shutdown. Instead, Windows closes user sessions, like logging off, but the system session where the Windows kernel is running is saved to a file called the Hyper file. The next time you turn on your PC, instead of starting the system from scratch, it simply loads the system session from this file, which significantly reduces boot time. But sometimes this causes issues with updates or any changes that require a complete shutdown. These might not install correctly unless the system is fully restarted. This is why, when we uninstalled the driver and restarted our computer, the system was unable to reinstall the right driver for our device. So, my suggestion, always keep the fast startup option disabled. That's it, guys. Hope this video helped you. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Comment below which solution actually worked for you, or if it didn't work, let me know. Thank you for watching. Take care.